Today we have a one owner 2016 Jeep Cherokee Latitude, 21,000 miles, clean AutoCheck, 30-day dealer warranty. Let's give you a look. First thing you notice is it does have a honeycomb mesh grille with a nice chrome bezel inserts there. And you have your fog lights and your driving lights. You have your real trim, high definition LED lighting. These lights are super bright at nighttime, if you've ever driven one. And you will see it has the 17-inch 10-spoke alloy rims. Got Firestone tires on there, around half tread depth. And you will see the Cherokee badging on the door. It has nice roof racks up there. If you need to haul anything up there, it also has your antenna there in the back. That's for your satellite radio. Give you a peek in the interior. You'll see it does have black cloth seating, black carpeting. Has white stitching in the seats to kind of break it up a little bit. And one thing you get with these Jeeps and Dodge products, they try to be creative about as much storage space as they can. That seat will fold up and you see you have additional storage space underneath there. And the back, same style seating as the front. You will notice the back of the center console over there. You do have a power port over there in case you need to plug in an accessory or anything like that. You will notice the rubber matting on the floor. It does have a nice heavy rubber mats all the way around to protect your carpeting. And these seats do flip down and fold flat. When we walk around the back, I'll show you. That'll give you some additional storage space. See the back rubber there, about the same all the way around. And we'll see on the back, it does have the rear wiper, it has rear defrost. Latitude 4x4 badging on there. It does have the backup cam underneath the Jeep emblem. And we flip that up and you can see your storage space back here. You got quite a bit of storage space back here. You have this little compartment. A lot of people don't know this, but this will actually pop out of there. And then that gives you a little extra space for your cubbies and whatnot down here. And you do have a 12-volt power source back here also. And if you fold this up, you have locking lug nuts there that come with it. You have an accessory bag. And then this panel here actually comes up, and that's where your spare tire and your jack and all your tools for that are. And this seat also folds down on this side, just like on the passenger side. I'm actually going to hop inside, give you a little closer look at some of the interior. Down underneath your door handle here, you have your gas button for your fuel door. And on your door, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors, and your window lock. And your headlight controls and your interior lighting controls. Your steering wheel, you have your radio controls on there. You have your telephone controls. You have your voice activation. And an airbag in there also. And your speed limit controls. Here, I'm going to light this up and give you a look at this. You see here, you can control your heated passenger and driver's side seating. Also, nice thing, we just missed it, dirt popped off, but it does have a heated steering wheel, which is real nice on a cold winter morning. That's all your audio controls and your climate controls. You can access from there, or actually you can do it down here also. And down here you also have your traction control and your front and rear defrost. Another neat thing this has is you can select the type of terrain you're in. You can have it set on the auto mode, snow, sport, or sand and mud. And down inside your cubby, you will notice you have another 12-volt power source in there. You have a slot for an SD card, you have an auxiliary port, and you also have a USB port down there. Also has the electronic e-brake. And you have a couple cup holders there. And down in your center console, you'll have another 12-volt power source and another USB port. So you can basically run a ton of devices in here, have several plugged in at once. See the instrument panel there lit up. You'll notice it does have, like I said, 21,992 miles currently. I'm going to go ahead and start the engine, and we're going to take you out there and give you a look at the engine bay. And you can see also it's nice and clean underneath there. This particular vehicle is a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. Really good fuel economy with that engine. You can expect to get somewhere low mid-20s fuel mileage. Important anymore to get pretty good gas mileage, with fuel costs being what they are, and probably only going to go up. Trying to get a look at the headlights there while it's running. Like I said, those headlights are very bright. One last thing we are going to do here now that we got the engine shut off is I'm going to walk around the vehicle one more time and see if we can point out any blemishes or imperfections anywhere on here. If you want to come out and look at it, you'll know about them ahead of time. I will tell you the front bumper, you can see there, does have some scuff marks across it. Now they have been buffed as well as we could get them out, and we have put sealer over them, so they won't be an issue to you. Just want to let you know about them being there. Somebody probably parked a little bit too close to something, I would say. Real nice looking Cherokee with the black and then the brushed aluminum and chrome accent pieces on it. There's a small ding. Play a little stone ding right there. Paint is real super glossy, so it's kind of hard to get it. Man, it kind of looks like a little paint blemish, but there's a tiny ding on there on the driver's side rear door. Other than there's a couple little marks, that's really all I can see to show you on there. All in all, it's a very good looking Jeep. If you're interested in coming out and taking it a test drive, or maybe just coming to take a look at it, our salespeople would be more than happy to help you out. You can give us a call, 717-485-4224, or you can also look us up on our website. That's www.thomasata.com. Thank you.